So I stopped here because supposedly it has the dustbin full. I know it's impossible. Also, it stopped right at the corner when I started it right here. Anyways, you can see that this thing is just with a lot of hair and dust, but really rather empty. You can see that here. That's not really full. And if we look under here, we'll see that it's all the hair. It's right kind of in there in the passage between the dustbin and the brushes. So I don't know what's going on here, but this thing is not really vacuuming. And I'm sick of doing this 4 or 5 times every time I want to just clear the floor.
Clean, no hairs, no nothing. The brush is not spinning. Okay, so I walk in my room because my robot stopped, right? I'm like, why did it stop? So I go up to it to try to push the button, and there's no button, and I grabbed it. And this is my tray that I'll eat my snacks on and stuff at night. And it must have been, it's usually stored right there. So he must have went up to it and it fell on his head and he couldn't go anywhere because he was blinded. Now look at him, he's ready to go. Little stinker. He's like a dog. That's so crazy.
Oh, a dime.
This is so satisfying. My little friend.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do a quick 10-second video because it's not letting me upload a 25-second video. You can see I hit the button.
Home, we broke up and I went back to Boston. You would think that I would